Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is transforming the landscape of software engineering? Welcome to the future, where the marriage of artificial intelligence and software engineering is not just a concept, but a reality. This remarkable union has given birth to a new era of software development, and at the heart of it all is DEVIN AI. DEVIN AI is a groundbreaking artificial intelligence software engineer that is redefining the way developers create software. It's a harmonious blend of machine learning, natural language processing, and deep learning techniques. This powerful combination enables DEVIN AI to analyze code, predict potential bugs, and suggest optimizations all in real time. But DEVIN AI isn't just about making the lives of developers easier. It's about enhancing the entire software development process. Picture a world where software development teams can work seamlessly, with developers focusing on creativity and problem-solving, while DEVIN takes care of the more routine tasks, such as code reviews, debugging, and performance optimizations. Integrating DEVIN AI into your development environment is a breeze. Developers can interact with DEVIN using natural language commands or simply let it analyze code repositories. In return, DEVIN provides actionable insights and suggestions instantly, making the development process more efficient and innovative. The ripple effect of DEVIN AI is felt far beyond the initial development phase. It plays a significant role in enhancing software quality, reducing time to market, and lowering maintenance costs. With DEVIN's continuous monitoring and analysis, applications become more robust, secure, and scalable, perfectly aligning with the needs of modern users. DEVIN AI is making waves across various industries, from finance to healthcare, education to e-commerce. It's being leveraged for risk analysis and fraud detection in the financial sector, while healthcare providers are using it to improve patient care through predictive analytics. In our daily lives, DEVIN AI is becoming increasingly indispensable, playing a crucial role in smart homes, IoT devices, and personalized digital assistants. It's learning to understand user preferences, automate routine tasks, and ensure seamless interactions between humans and technology. As you can see, DEVIN AI is a game changer, taking software engineering to new heights. It's not just a tool, but a catalyst for innovation and progress. Its importance lies in empowering developers, improving software quality, and shaping a more intelligent and connected future for all of us. Now, you might be wondering, how easy is it to use DEVIN AI? Let's dive right into it. DEVIN AI has been designed with a user-centric approach, keeping in mind the diverse needs of developers. No matter if you're a seasoned programmer or just dipping your toes into the world of coding, DEVIN AI is a breeze to integrate into your existing development environment. With a few simple steps, you can have DEVIN AI up and running, ready to assist you in your coding journey. Now, once you've integrated DEVIN AI, you'll find that interacting with it is as seamless as having a conversation. That's right, DEVIN AI harnesses the power of natural language processing, allowing developers to communicate with it using everyday language. You can ask DEVIN AI for code reviews, bug predictions, or optimization suggestions. And the best part? DEVIN AI responds instantly, providing you with actionable insights that can help you improve your code. But DEVIN AI doesn't stop there. It can proactively analyze your code repositories and identify potential issues even before you know they exist. Imagine having an intelligent assistant that can foresee problems and provide solutions all in real time. That's what DEVIN AI brings to the table, and the user-friendly interface, it's intuitive and straightforward, making it easy even for those who aren't technologically inclined. DEVIN AI's interface is designed to provide a seamless user experience, helping you focus on what matters most, creating amazing software solutions. What's more, DEVIN AI is always learning and evolving. Its machine learning algorithms continuously adapt and improve, ensuring that it stays abreast with the latest trends and practices in software development. This means that with DEVIN AI, you're not just getting a tool, but a partner that grows with you and your needs. So, whether you're debugging complex code, optimizing your application, or just brainstorming the next big software solution, DEVIN AI is there to help every step of the way. DEVIN AI, with its simplicity and efficiency, is truly a developer's best friend. With DEVIN AI, you're not just coding, you're creating the future. Let's delve deeper into DEVIN AI's impact on software development and beyond. The introduction of this revolutionary tool has completely transformed the way we approach software creation and maintenance. With its ability to analyze code, predict potential issues, and suggest optimizations in real time, DEVIN AI significantly enhances the overall quality of software. The result is a more robust application that meets the high demands of today's digital consumers. It's like having an extra team member who never sleeps, continuously monitoring and analyzing the software to ensure it's running at peak performance. But the influence of DEVIN AI doesn't stop at the development phase. It plays a vital role in reducing the time to market of new software. By automating routine tasks and providing instant actionable insights, DEVIN AI allows developers to focus on higher-level problem-solving and innovation. This leads to a faster development cycle, getting your software into the hands of users quicker than ever before. Moreover, the ongoing maintenance costs associated with software are significantly reduced. DEVIN AI helps identify and fix bugs before they become major issues, minimizing the need for extensive debugging and costly updates. The transformative power of DEVIN AI extends even further, impacting various industries in profound ways. From finance to healthcare, education to e-commerce, organizations are leveraging the capabilities of DEVIN AI to improve their operations and services. Financial institutions are using it for risk analysis and fraud detection, while healthcare providers are improving patient care through predictive analytics. In our daily lives, DEVIN AI is becoming an integral part of smart homes, IoT devices, and digital assistants. It's learning our preferences, automating routine tasks, and facilitating seamless interactions between us and our technology. With DEVIN AI, we are witnessing a paradigm shift in software development and various industries. It's not just an AI tool, it's a catalyst for innovation, advancement, and progress. It's empowering developers, improving the quality of our software, and shaping a more intelligent and connected future for us all. So, what does the future hold with DEVIN AI? As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, DEVIN AI is paving the way for a more intelligent and connected future. This advanced software engineer is not just a tool, but a game changer with the potential to redefine the software engineering domain. DEVIN AI is the embodiment of innovation, transforming the way we develop and interact with software. It's not just about optimizing code or predicting bugs anymore. DEVIN AI is helping us to reimagine software design, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's about creating more intuitive user interfaces, more immersive digital experiences, and more powerful applications. And as DEVIN AI continues to evolve, so too does its potential. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence can not only write and optimize code, but can do so with the creativity and ingenuity of a human developer, where AI can understand the user's needs, anticipate their desires, and create personalized software solutions that are as unique as the individuals using them. But the impact of DEVIN AI extends far beyond the realm of software engineering. It's about more than just creating efficient, innovative software solutions. It's about shaping our society, revolutionizing industries, and transforming our daily lives. Imagine a world where DEVIN AI is interwoven into the fabric of our existence, where our homes are smarter, our devices are more intuitive, and our lives are more connected, where technology is no longer a tool, but a partner, working alongside us to create a more intelligent and efficient world. And as we look to the future, the possibilities are endless. With DEVIN AI, we're not just developing software, we're building a future that's more intelligent, more connected, and more innovative than ever before. So, as we stand on the brink of this technological revolution, one thing is clear. DEVIN AI is more than just an advanced software engineer. It's a catalyst for innovation, a driving force for progress, and a beacon of what's to come. DEVIN AI, a catalyst for innovation, is set to redefine our future. The future is here and it's powered by DEVIN AI. Are you ready to be part of this revolution? The revolution that is DEVIN AI, a groundbreaking development in the realm of artificial intelligence and software engineering. As you've seen, DEVIN AI isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. It's transforming the way we build software, the way we interact with technology, and even the way we live our lives. Picture yourself as part of this transformative journey. Imagine harnessing the power of DEVIN AI to create innovative software solutions, to streamline your development process, or to optimize your code in real time. Imagine having a virtual team member that not only does routine tasks, but also provides insightful suggestions, helping you to elevate your work to the next level. And it's not just about software engineering. The applications of DEVIN AI span a multitude of sectors. Whether you're in finance, healthcare, education, or e-commerce, DEVIN AI can be your ally, assisting you in risk analysis, fraud detection, and predictive analytics, helping you make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. In our personal lives too, DEVIN AI is making a difference. As it powers smart homes and IoT devices, it's learning our preferences, automating routine tasks, and making our interactions with technology more seamless and more intuitive. So, how can you be part of this revolution? It's simple. Try DEVIN AI for yourself. Explore its capabilities, integrate it into your development environment, and see the difference it can make. This is not just about keeping pace with the latest technology trends, it's about being at the forefront of a revolution that's redefining the way we build and use software. Yes, the future is here, and it's powered by DEVIN AI. So, don't just watch from the sidelines. Be part of the change. Be part of the revolution. Unlock endless possibilities with DEVIN AI. Join the revolution today.